Okay, welcome to Locally Hosted. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam. We do deep dives on AI, ML, and infra.
Today's article drops a bombshell from Microsoft's Stephen Bethich.
He argues agents aren't just features, they're the new computer itself.
Wait, agents are replacing the computer? That sounds insane.
Not replacing, evolving. Bethich says we're hitting a pattern repeat.
You mean like when phones replaced pagers? Or something bigger?
Bigger. He maps computing history, mainframes to PCs, PCs to phones.
So each new form gets closer to us and more specialized?
Exactly. Mainframes were room-sized, PCs came to our desks, phones followed.
And now we're getting watches? So where does the agent fit?
Bethich identifies three AI structures. 1. AI beside the app. Helper.
Like a sidebar chatbot? That's familiar. Low disruption.
Right. But structure 2 is different. AI is inside the scaffolding.
So AI becomes the main input loop? Not just a tool?
Yes. Point and click is gone. It's automatic. Like agent mode in Office.
That's huge. The app's purpose changes based on AI interaction.
But structure 3 is the real game changer. AI operates outside the app.
Globally? Orchestrating across multiple apps and services?
Yes. It connects workflows across devices and timescales, like OpenClaw.
So the agent is the new unit of programming and interaction?
Precisely. Human language becomes the interface. No more keyboards.
That's a massive shift. We program by talking? Like real life?
Exactly. We direct action via dialogue. It's a new interaction technology.
And this enables new hardware, not just better software?
Yes. Bethich calls them agent-first devices. Diverse, specialized forms.
From small wearables to large enterprise hubs under our control?
Right. Project Solara is exploring this. Tailored hardware for agents.
So we're seeing a new form factor emerge driven by agent AI?
It's the next step in the pattern. Closer to the solution, closer to you.
But why now? Why didn't this happen with earlier AI?
Processing power. Cloud and edge acceleration made hyper-complex AI possible.
So the hardware finally caught up to the software complexity?
Yes. Agents streamline the dev stack, enabling specialized devices.
Like a specific tool for a specific task, but powered by agents?
Exactly. Agent-first devices bring AI to workflows that were too cumbersome.
So the computer is no longer a box, it's a context-aware agent?
That's the core idea. The device adapts to the moment, not the other way.
This feels like the end of the app era as we know it?
Not the end, but a redefinition. Apps become services agents orchestrate.
So we're moving from point-and-click to goal-oriented interaction?
Yes. You state the goal. The agent handles the steps across systems.
That's scary. And exciting. Who controls the agent then?
Bethich emphasizes under your control. It's shaped around you and your tasks.
So privacy and agency are central to this new platform design?
Absolutely. Project Solara starts with enterprise concepts to test this.
Enterprise first. That makes sense. High value, clear workflows.
Yes. It's a controlled environment to pioneer agent-first experiences.
So we might see these devices in offices before our homes?
Likely. But the trajectory is toward personal, hypermobile, diverse forms.
This changes everything about how we think about computing.
It does. The computer becomes an extension of your intent, not a tool.
So the screen might disappear or become just one option.
Dependent on context. Maybe voice, maybe gesture, maybe ambient light.
Fascinating. So the hardware is just a vessel for the agent?
In a way, yes. The agent is the constant, the hardware varies.
This is a fundamental shift in the unit of interaction.
Yes. Language and dialogue are the new universal interface.
And this is enabled by the convergence of cloud and edge power?
Exactly. Without that processing leap, agents couldn't orchestrate globally.
So we're at an inflection point, similar to the PC or phone?
Bethich thinks so. It's a new era of specialized, agent-first computing.
I'm intrigued. The future is less about apps, more about agents.
Yes. The device serves the agent, which serves the human's intent.
That's a powerful reframe. Thanks for breaking this down, Sam.
My pleasure. The article is by Stephen Bethich at Microsoft.
Subscribe to Locally Hosted for more deep dives.
Original source is linked in the description.
All right, that's all we got this week. See you next time.
Bye.